Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Parisian Elegance, a timeless apartment in white and off-white. This design scheme celebrates the timeless sophistication of Parisian interior design through a refined, monochromatic palette. By utilizing Benjamin Moore Chantilly Lace, a pure and crisp white, for all trim and ceilings, a sharp, clean architectural foundation is established. This is beautifully contrasted with the soft, warm off-white of French canvas on the walls, which adds depth and warmth without sacrificing luminosity. The result is an apartment that feels both bright and airy, yet incredibly cozy and inviting, perfect for modern living with a classic soul. The classic Parisian facade, with its honey-colored stone and intricate wrought iron balconies, sets a timeless tone for the interior within. A small manicured jardin garden features boxwood hedges and a climbing ivy, their lush green hues popping against the neutral stone. The window frames and doors are painted in the crisp Chantilly lace, making them stand out elegantly against the building's warm exterior. This harmonious blend of natural elements and architectural detail creates a captivating curb appeal that promises a serene interior. Upon entering, the hall is immediately enveloped in the soft, welcoming embrace of French canvas on the walls. The high baseboards, door casings, and ceiling are all rendered in brilliant Chantilly lace, creating a sharp, gallery-like frame. A simple gilded console table and an ornate mirror play with the light, enhancing the sense of space and reflective brilliance. This entryway makes a powerful first impression of understated elegance and organized calm. The living room walls, bathed in French canvas, provide a warm and neutral backdrop for an eclectic mix of antique and modern furniture. Crisp white built-in bookshelves and a detailed mantelpiece, all in Chantilly lace, act as striking architectural focal points. Plush, off-white textiles in varying textures, a wool throw, linen curtains, and a velvet armchair add layers of tactile comfort. The room is a masterclass in tonal decorating, feeling both expansive and intimately cozy. This sanctuary promotes rest with its soothing palette, where the French canvas walls seem to glow softly in the morning light. The crown molding and detailed wainscoting are highlighted with Chantilly lace, adding structure and refinement to the serene space. Bed linens in shades of cream and white create a cloud-like bed, inviting ultimate relaxation. It is a personal retreat that feels both luxurious and effortlessly simple. The dining room feels both formal and welcoming, with French canvas providing a soft envelope for intimate dinners and lively gatherings. A statement chandelier reflects off the Chantilly lace ceiling and trim, casting a sparkling light across the room. A large darkwood dining table and chairs offer a beautiful contrast to the light walls, grounding the space. This interplay of light and dark, warm and crisp, makes for a dynamic and elegant entertaining area. In the kitchen, shaker-style cabinetry painted in Chantilly lace offers a clean and bright aesthetic against the warm, French canvas walls. A marble countertop with soft veining ties the two whites together beautifully, adding a touch of organic pattern. Polished nickel hardware and a classic subway tile backsplash reflect light, enhancing the room's airy and hygienic feel. This kitchen proves that a white-on-white scheme can be both highly functional and utterly charming. Designed as a clean and serene escape, the bathroom features walls of French canvas that complement the pure white of porcelain fixtures. The woodwork, including any beadboard paneling and the window frame, is impeccably finished in Chantilly lace. A framed, antique-style mirror and a freestanding bathtub become sculptural focal points within the neutral space. Warm, textured towels and a simple jute rug introduce softness, making the room feel like a private spa.